I recently made a video about a casserole and it was perceived very well, so I thought let's make another one. So this recipe is a casserole with pasta and cauliflower and with a very delicious topping. Like always, you will find the recipe with the quantities on my blog, and the link is at the very end of this video. On the blog post you can switch between the metric and the US customary measurements. So here's what you need. You need some pasta, a small cauliflower, you need some parsley or some chives or both, then some grated cheese, plain breadcrumbs, some butter, flour, milk, pepper and some nutmeg. The first thing to do here is to boil the pasta, and while that's boiling I'll also prepare the cauliflower. Of course I already washed the cauliflower and I'm now removing the little flowers. And I want them like bite size. And don't throw out the stem. You paid for it and you can eat it. You can boil it just as everything else on this cauliflower, except for maybe the leaves. But definitely something you don't have to throw away. Behind me I have the pasta boiling, and once the pasta is ready I will just remove it. Then I will catch 300 milliliters of the water, and in the remaining water in the pot I will boil the cauliflower. I also have to chop the herbs. Now I'm basically making a roux. That means I'm melting some butter. Not the entire butter, just 1 tablespoon of it. And now I'm adding the flour. And I let this sweat a little bit, that's how we call it. Next I'm adding the milk, and I'm adding it little by little, mixing it in so I don't create any lumps. And I'm also adding the water that I catched from the pasta. I'm adding some nutmeg. Not too much, just like 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then some pepper. And I'm also adding a little bit of salt. I bring this to a boil now and let it boil for a couple of minutes. After cooking this for a couple of minutes, I'm now adding the herbs. I'm using quite a bit of herbs. You can use less if you don't like them so much, but I really love parsley and also chives. So move this over here. I'll pour this over the pasta. And I'm mixing this. Now I'm adding the cauliflower. Mix this again. This now goes into the casserole. And now next comes the best part. That's the topping. And that's something we do quite often in Germany, that we, when we make cauliflower, that we top it with something that is made from plain breadcrumbs and butter. Sometimes we fry it a little bit. Sometimes we just mix it, like in this case, I'm just mixing it. And then I'm mixing in the cheese. And this goes now on top. I've already preheated the oven. I preheated it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit because I have a convection oven that is 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a convection oven, you're using the temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This has to go into the oven for 15 minutes now. And this is the finished casserole. This is really delicious. I hope you like it. I personally really love the crust, but also everything inside. I personally love cauliflower very much. I hope you do too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Like always, thank you for being part of my community. And I always appreciate donations with a donation button right under this video. Thank you for watching.